Next we have a DVD, Nickelodeon, a Paw Patrol TV movie. Paw Patrol Ready Race Rescue. Front, side, and back. Now we're going to open it. And there's a DVD.